Yan ang unang kanta. Siyempre. Maraming salamat po sa mga pumalakpak. Ayan, magpupo yung alis. At may susunod mo po sa amin. Ano? Hindi pa kami tapos. Wait lang. For everyone concerned, even if it's me, if it means it's me, what's getting burned? Alright, come on! 'Cause I can never make you unhappy. Oh, no, I wouldn't do that, girl. The only reason I love you so. Oh,
you care, tell me please, tell me that you also feel the way that I do. Papayatin niyo po ako.
kaya yan. Here we go. Come on.
You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to
I can see the race to swine sun love, oh love, in your eyes, you're drifting safely back. I want to understand why they don't always come back to goodbye. What is life without love? Well, it's me with all the time to think about the love we hardly had the time to share. Now the moment to save our love in time. What is pleasure without pain? What is sunshine with no rain? What's the moon without the sun? Time. So my life's without love. You are my love for all time. Though we brown out the moment to save
Wala namang ha.
Abay huli para kay Timas. Nila hindi ka ba nilalamig? But if it's raining in Manila, hindi kita maririnig. Kaya minsan nanginginig. So I'll be waiting in Manila kahit di ka na babalik. Maulan ba sa inyo pag bumubuhos dito? Naumanhin at baka hindi ko masasabayan ang iyong yapas sa pangiti at pag-iyak sa pag-ibar at pagbansag ng araw-araw. Sa buong pikit na lang kita matitigan sa mata sa panaginip na magbabasigaw. Kumusta ka na kahit huwag mong sagutin? Di ba na wala? Gusto nang ituwid sana gano'n ka na pa rin. Has been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Nung kaya ka minsan nanginginig. And it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Pag wala ang mga tao, madilim ba ang mundo? May kulang ba sa inyo na naiwan dito? Aanhi ang ulan sa paradiso. Kaya maglas at manapit na magkakalakat. Malas ang hangin at may tubig na amulan. Kamusta ka na kahit huwag nagsagutin? Di ba na wala ang islam ng bituin? Sana gano'n na pa rin. Cause it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Mahirap ba mag-isa, nanginginig? And it's been raining in Manila, hindi ka na nilalamig. Pag wala ang mga tao, madilim ba ang mundo? Sayawan mo muna yan. Total performer, oh. Parang agogodan siya. Parang sa lubsong. Ay, kiss, eh.
Para kay Darbs. Since space the hardest time you could imagine. Many times her eyes fought back to tears. Yo! And when our youthful world was about to fall in, it's time herself the shoulders, way of all her fears, and the sorrow no one hears still rings in midnight silence in her ears. Let her cry, for she's a lady, and her dream, for she's a child. Let the rain fall down upon her. She's a pretty and gentle flower growing wild. And if by chance I should hold her, let me hold her for a time. And if I love just one possession, I would pick her from the garden to be mine. Ayun! Susunod na yung supply. Be careful how you touch her, for she's awake when
Palakpakan naman dyan.
tama na ba ng kamay? Ano ba?
Isa pa daw, palakpakan pa daw.
It's all amazing, all the loving you gave me, the feelings you shared. And I still can remember how it was so tender that told me you cared. Yo! We had a once in a lifetime, but I can't seem to see what it has gone. Second once in a lifetime, maybe too much to ask, but I swear I'm the home. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time will never end. I feel so clearly, I still need you near me, I still love you so.
I still love you so.
There's something between us, won't ever leave us, there's no letting go.
There's no letting go.
We had a once in a lifetime, but I just didn't know it. In my life fell apart. Second once in a lifetime isn't too much to ask, 'cause I swear from the heart.
Happy birthday daw.
If ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I hold you forever. This time will never end. Never end. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time I'll never end. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again. Bakit ngayon dumating sa buhay ko? Pilit binubuksan ang sarado ko na pinto. Ikaw ba ay nararama sa akin at siya ba'y dapat ko limutin? Nais kong malaman bakit ngayon kaya Kung ang lahat ay may katapusan, itong paglalakbay ay magkakarating din sa paroroonan. At sa'yo tulisan ang tanging pagkaon ko ay Jollibee.
It's still good to be good, standing here beside you. Want so much to give you this love and my heart that I'm feeling for you.
They don't say we're crazy, don't care about that. Put your hands in my hand, baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around me just fall apart. Maybe we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can be in the street together, stand the show forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we still have each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
I'm so glad I found you.